Let's go, guys. Ooh, strongest guy versus, I don't know, is this guy a boxer?
Strongest man is in the building.
Yep, I saw him up.
It's pretty
Airport,
strong, mate.
Manchester Airport
what
once.
you did with Tom Aspinall.
Yeah.
If you're doing it in terms of metal, if I've got an iron gut, Tom Aspinall's got like a copper gut.
When the
Pooh.
world's strongest man came
True,
to
but it'll get you in
challenge the
MMA,
world
MMA
kickboxing
though.
champ, the
I think
ending
it'll get you
was
down easier
unexpected.
than
I'll
some
speed it
years.
up to the
No
interesting
matter how
part.
strong you are.
Okay.
10%, 10%. So even I can last that, man. Come on, 50%. Let's go. Nah, ooh.
Alright, 70. We're skipping
70%. Oh, he's skipping 60. Ooh. Ooh.
90%.
Yeah, let's skip in 10 again. Ooh. Damn. Ooh.
100%.
100%, bro. Bro, he's already coughing, bro. Ooh. Nah, he's just acting, bro. That ain't happening. Oh, damn.